Hi, I'm Chris Monteith. What we have today is a Cincinnati Milacron controller. You might recognize it. Comes out of an injection molding machine with Indicom and provided a replacement LCD solution where no other solution really exists as far as I know. What originally was in here was a 12-inch color monitor. We've already removed the monitor, which basically is 4 screws, a video connector, and a power connector. Monitor comes out. And now we're going to put the monitor in. 90–95% of the time, the failure on these controllers is the monitor. And this original Mitsubishi monitor was made in the 80s, so it's had a good lifetime to replace it with an LCD. The original monitor had these brackets in. We don't need those anymore. And the next few steps, we're going to basically install the new LCD. So the new LCD comes with a power supply, and it comes in a nice small package, and we're going to simply take it apart, and this is it. The LCD it's a collapsible frame that you need a screwdriver, of course, to open it up. The LCD folds open like that, and then you put the screws back in and locks in place. LCD now, after you take off the front plastic, slides into place. Power supply gets mounted. I'll tell you right now. The next couple steps, all you need to do is flip this monitor up, put 2 screws on the bottom, mount your power supply, and then plug in your cables, and that's it. You're done, and you can put it back in your machine and carry on doing what you do best, and not have to worry about a monitor. So, Indicom have provided here was a complete LCD solution to go inside your original Cincinnati Milacron frame. Lots of room, less weight. The packaging, everything's less power, less everything. The original video connector is an odd type Molex connector. All the cables, all the odd power cable, video cable, all of it comes with the unit itself. All the special video timings, video signals that are generated by these older computer boards are all programmed into the driver board of the LCD, so everything comes in working perfectly. You get a 1-year warranty and no hassles to install. Any other questions about any other installations, definitely give us a call, send us an email. We'll be able to respond to them right away and get you up and running before you know it.